welcome back to Vlogtober Day
30.
Day 30. Tomorrow is Halloween. Also, tonight we are doing something super awesome and amazing. We are going to see the Nightmare Before Christmas Trail of Lights in Austin. It's here in Austin, and then it's also in New York. And it travels. It's one of those like events that travels to different cities. I have never been before, and this was gifted to our family by Nicole, our friend Nicole, which is the sweetest gift ever. So we are super grateful and appreciative, and we cannot wait to go. Yes, I will be doing a video, not like a long format horizontal video, but like a short. I will do a short of everything that we saw, and there'll be photos. I cannot wait. So thank you so much, Nicole. We are so excited to go. All right, what do we got for day 30?
I think it's a blanket, guys.
I think so too. Oh, it's hard to tell what it is. Like what the pattern is, I mean. What does it look like? Is it NBC?
I think it's Haunted Mansion.
Ooh, let me show the picture because it'll be hard to. I'll also take a picture of this, but it'll be hard to show you guys. That is what it looks like. It does look like Haunted Mansion. That is cute. It's from Hallmark. It's soft. Do you still want it? Because when she noticed it was a blanket, she was like, I want that.
Yes.
This is really cute. It's so soft. I'll definitely take a picture of it all like spread out and insert it. But that's really awesome. I think my mom got this on sale. She always shops for us like the day after Halloween. That is so cute. Perfect resting place. Okay, I think they got it, honey.
Okay.
I'll insert a photo. That was an awesome day 30. Tomorrow,
it's Halloween.
Tomorrow is Halloween. What we do is we go trick-or-treating with our kids, and then we come home fairly early and so that we can pass out candy to the neighborhood kids here.
The children and the weird teenagers.
But honey, you're a teenager.
But they're like the ones that cause trouble.
There's little troublemakers, but then there's also just teenagers that want to have fun and be a kid, which is awesome. I support that. Go trick-or-treating. Okay, that is it for day 30. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 31. Bye!